This is Karen Peterman and Jessica Sperling, your tour guides through evaluation tools you can use. This is me, Karen. I have a small consulting firm in Durham, North Carolina. We specialize in STEM program evaluation and public engagement activities in particular.
And this is me, Jessica. I lead the evaluation area at Duke University's Social Science Research Institute. We work in formative and summative evaluation with a variety of university and community partners. Your tour through tools you can use will begin with a logic modeling process that I've used with faculty at Duke for the past several years. I'll share a template and process that we'll use during the session and that you can continue to use after. We'll discuss the logic model as a basis for evaluation planning, including determining the broader impact activities you may need to evaluate and appropriate evaluation processes.
Then we'll share specific examples of how BI offices or projects might use customer relation management programs to track key aspects of the work. We'll share resources to help with the messy middle of conducting an evaluation. And we'll talk about shared measures, what they are, where to find them, and how to decide if one is right for you.
We want this session to be interactive, so be ready to work and engage with the group throughout our 90 minutes together.
You can also look for resources on our workshop page of the ARIS conference website. We'll be adding more between now and the start of the conference.
For now, this is Jessica and Karen signing off. We hope to see you on the 30th.